As COVID cases continue to surge, it can be difficult times, certainly, for people struggling with mental health issues. KQ2's Jade Steffens has more on that.
COVID's been extremely negative for mental health. They did declare a national mental health emergency.
The pandemic has brought on challenges from all aspects of day-to-day life. Mental health being one of the biggest issues across the country and right here at home.
Statistics all back it up. It's been really very bad for mental health. Almost none of it is a direct cause of COVID. It is the societal changes, the fear of the disease, as opposed to a physiologic response to getting COVID.
Isolation, fear, and changes in day-to-day life have been felt by many, especially the younger population.
Healthy 16, 18-year-olds that are terrified that they're going to kill people. And that really leads to a severe, anxiety, and then they isolate themselves, which leads to depression.
This has put a strain on the already existing shortage of mental health resources nationwide.
There was a shortage of both prescribers and therapists pre-existing COVID, and COVID has exacerbated that. The wait lists are super long.
Also drawing attention to drug overdoses, which have increased since the start of the pandemic.
Conglomerating all of the data from various sources, it appears that significantly more people are dying from drug overdoses than COVID in young people, so 45 and below.
There are a few solutions that psychologists and psychiatrists recommend to combat these challenges, one of which being virtual interactions.
It caused a big switch or push to telemedicine, over the phone or through Zoom or things like that, which is not quite as good as in person. It's still worthwhile, and people should pursue that treatment if that's what's available.
The CDC also recommends taking breaks from your phone, computer, and TVs, as well as prioritizing taking care of your body, connecting with others, whether that be virtually or in person, with safe distancing measures in place. Reporting in St. Joseph, Jade Steffens, KQ2 News.
CDC also encouraging people to check in with friends and family to help them cope with stress through phone calls or video chats.